The Easter Bunny tradition first began in which country? United States, Germany, France, England. The correct answer is Germany. What is a female duck commonly called? Doe, hen, duck, mallard. The correct answer is hen. Dolbear's law states that air temperature can be predicted by counting the chirps of which insect? Cicada, grasshopper, cricket, beetle. The correct answer is cricket. Which continent is completely free of ants? Europe, Africa, Antarctica, Asia. The correct answer is Antarctica. Niger is a landlocked country in West Africa, but do you know its capital city? Niamey, Belmopan, Manama, Lusaka. The correct answer is Niamey. They are absolute legends of classic slapstick comedy, but can you name the most famous core trio of the Three Stooges? Tom, Dick, and Harry. Peter, Paul, and Mary. Alvin, Simon, and Theodore. Larry, Curly, and Moe. The correct answer is Larry, Curly, and Moe. In poker, what is the name of the best possible hand? Full house, straight flush, royal flush, four of a kind. The correct answer is royal flush. Nephrolithiasis is the medical term for which painful condition? Kidney stones, urinary infection, renal failure, bladder spasm. The correct answer is kidney stones. The generation known as the baby boomers began in which year? 1940, 1943, 1946, 1950. The correct answer is 1946. If a paleontologist is digging up ancient dinosaur fossils, what specific type of rock are they almost always digging through? Sedimentary, igneous, metamorphic, volcanic. The correct answer is sedimentary. What do we call a substance that speeds up a chemical reaction without being used up? Solvent, catalyst, enzyme, reactant. The correct answer is catalyst. Halitosis is the medical term for what condition? Dry skin, bad breath, hair loss, nosebleed. The correct answer is bad breath. What is another name for the voice box? Pharynx, trachea, larynx, bronchi. The correct answer is larynx. Which element is the most abundant in Earth's crust? Iron, silicon, oxygen, aluminum. The correct answer is oxygen. What musical instrument was legendary jazz artist Miles Davis famous for playing? Saxophone, piano, trumpet, clarinet. The correct answer is trumpet.